information is not timeless, but we could probably find some gems inside of it. This is Investopedia, which that is timeless. You could go to this website every single day and you can learn different information. Today, it gave me some topics about the news and the economic news. Holiday shopping started strong. Retail hope to stick the landing. Key takeaways: more than 157 million may shop this Saturday, according to the National Retail Federation. So you have your business, a brick and mortar, hey, be prepared for that business because it's coming. Holiday spending has so far been strong online, though less robust in stores. Retailers expect to end the season on a strong note, posting some 989 billion in sales, or 3.5% more than last year, according to the NRF. And of course, that 3.5% more than last year comes with the inflation of the dollar, because most things are priced higher. Retail are optimistic they already brisk holiday shopping will accelerate the final stretch before Christmas. Early indicators suggest Americans are spending significantly online this year, lifting retailers' hope for a robust season final, though some data points to less active in stores. So the online is where it's at. It's not really brick and mortar, but as long as you have your online e-commerce, you have potential to make you some finances. Digital spending hit a record 10.8 billion this Black Friday, Adobe said, contributing to 1.4 uptake in retail spending year over year this November. The National Retail Federation said there's reason to believe that momentum will continue. The trade group said, saying that just 10% of people indicated early this month that they had checked out their entire gift list. More than 157 million people may shop on the final Saturday before Christmas, the NRF said, which would be the second largest amount in the recent years. Many consumers, some 70%, plan to shop in the days immediately following Christmas. Catch them deals. NRF said so they can take advantage of deals using gift cards and return unwanted items. By January, holiday spending may hit 989 billion, about 3.5 more than last year, the group said. With a shortened window between Thanksgiving and Christmas this year, consumers will be hitting stores and shopping online to get those final gifts and to take advantage of special promotional deals, said Catherine Cullen, NRF Vice President of Industry and Consumer Rights. So far, spending has surged online, but been less pronounced in the brick and mortar shops that account for 70% of retail sales. Goldman Sachs analysts wrote this week stores had about 3% fewer visitors this Black Friday. I wasn't able to get my article fully read, and of course I will minimize my screen because I am all over the place today, as you can see, and I am missing key components. This is not financial advice. This is not I'm not teaching you, I'm not telling you what to do, because actually I'm a felon trader. So if I was you, I would just only watch and learn yourself. Take note of what I'm doing, but I'm not even in any live positions. So me, I also, my journal. This is bad camera. Guess I'm gonna have to start showing you all my journal and why I journal, but then that's also showing you my strategy. I have to find out more about showing you all my journal and exactly what I'm doing, because then someone may take that as me telling them that this is the answer and the be all to how you get things accomplished, when it is not. It's just something that I have formulated and I have used to my advantage, but it's my edge. That's what it is. It's my edge, and it's not meant for anyone else. And essentially, I can't even tell you that it works, because I'm a felon trader. I have failed. Man, it hurts because I traded for time. That's the whole reason why. But I traded for time, and to also give other people time that they have already experienced and went through life. And I'm bummed. I'm a little bit all over the place. Back to this. With the shortened window between Thanksgiving and Christmas this year, consumers will be hitting stores and shopping online to get those final gifts and take advantage of the special promotions and deals, said Catherine Cullen. Okay, so far spending has surged online, but being less pronounced in the brick and mortar shop. 70% of retail sales. Goldman Sachs analysts wrote this week stores had about 3% fewer visitors in Black Friday compared to last year, according to the traffic analytics firm Retail Nets, while sales are down 2.3%. A healthy share of the browsing in person made a purchase, according to Retail Nets, showing that people are being particularly deliberate this year. They're being more intentional with their purchase, often opting for higher ticket items over filling their basket with smaller goods, said Joe Sistine, global head vice analyst of Retail Nets. It's clear that international spending remains the theme. All right. Back to my platform. So this video, yeah, I'm trading out of my grandmother's garage, but actually I'm not in any live positions right now. As you can see, this is me. I love myself. I love the journey that I have taken and what I have learned so far. I just wish I would have had more capital to show exactly what I have learned instead of losing all my capital just because I have grandmothers. I'm gonna keep saying this over and over. I have grandmothers, biological in-laws that are old, 80, 90 years old, and I want them to go see pieces of the world before they leave this earth. And for me to lose everything before I can be able to get to show them the world, it's hurting. So that's the reason why I'm learning more and more. So weird, because as I'm just sitting in front of the computer and talking, I would love to stay on longer and post more information and more videos, but because I'm not YouTube verified, I'm not able to. And then also, why else? It's another reason why I'm not able. I can't even think at the moment. I have to learn more about what I'm able to post, because I don't want to be that individual that they come after and try to take all my funds in my accounts because they said that I directed the market in a certain direction or I was influential, but there's no possible way. I have no sense of direction the way the market is going. My strategy would have told me to get in a buy, and I would have took a buy, and then I would have set a stop loss here, which in return is going to get taken out that wick, that wick, that wick, that wick, because people have their stop losses here from moving it up. So when the market finally decide to dump, it's going to go get that stop loss, that stop loss, that stop loss, and that stop loss. How far it could go, I don't know. If I knew, I won't even be in front of you right now. I love y'all.